Hello everyone, today I introduce you to lay frontal and lay closure about company. In addition to the normal lays, we'll still show you. We have a program to make other frontals and closer in book. With this hair, each month our customers order more than 1,000 pieces, and each order is from 100 pieces to 200 pieces. Let's go find out together. Firstly, this is 13 by 4 frontal lace straight hair. It's made of sweet lace with the same color as the skin tone. The hook line is very even, but with this frontal, there is a bit less hook density than the normal frontal. Secondly, it's a 4x4 closer that looks similar to frontals. Looking at the thick hook lines, with moderate density, not too thin. Especially the two lace has very good price. We can do all kind of hairstyle. We can adjust according to customer request. With this, we accept order from 50 pieces or more. If you are interested in our product, please leave a comment below. We will contact and advise you. Hurry up to get a discounted price. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.